So let's talk about this vegan protein shake. We've been looking for a perfect balance of just enough protein, fiber, but not too many carbs, and not too much sugar. Most importantly, we've been looking for a protein shake that's smooth, has no clumps, and has no weird chalky taste. My wife is the research goddess of this family. And not only has she found the perfect protein shake, but she's come up with some protein smoothie recipes. And all I can say about them is, you guessed it, it's a bop! If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button, because this is a channel that's going to put you on a product that no one else is really talking about. And if you're already a member of this infinite family, hit that like button, because you already know we do it for y'all. We do it for your friends. We do it for your enemies. We do it for your family members. By the way, shout out to the notification squad. If you know you'll be the first person to the cookout, bringing them positive vibes, go ahead and hit that like button. Leave a comment below and let everybody know that you're here to get it poppin'. Let's go ahead and get to the video.
We inside, a different day. New shirt, new shirt. Who you know wearing different shirt from the intro to the video? Different shirt from the intro to the video. Different shirt from the intro.
It's not killing the face.
Oh, different shirt from the intro. Different shirt from the intro. Baby spit up all over the
Hey, this is the daddy life, man.
Dad life, yo.
Alright, so today, as I said in the intro, about to get these smoothies going. Let's show them the ingredients real quick.
Okay, so no, first we're gonna tell them.
First, we're gonna tell y'all about this noosh.
The noosh.
Gotta get that noosh.
Gotta get that noosh.
That noosh.
Yo, guys, this might seem like it's paid, but it is not. We are just obsessed.
Love it this much, man.
We are obsessed. Okay.
We literally drink this every day.
Every single day.
Yeah, we drink this every day.
Every day.
We replace one meal
a day.
A day.
With noosh.
With that noosh.
You got your breakfast, you got your noosh, you got your lunch, you got dinner. Wait, no, that's 4 meals. Okay.
Okay. No, I like to drink it, like, I guess for lunch.
Yeah, I like mine for anytime.
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 Yeah, but that's pretty much it. A lot of protein, a lot of fiber.
Yeah, we'll put up here. Let me move over, and then we'll put we'll put all the I'll move.
Okay.
We'll put all the little. There we go. Yeah. All the instructions. Y'all see it. Y'all see them.
I mean, you could also see it on the.
It's right on the bag. It's on the front of the bag. Hold it up a little bit.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll also have it over on the side here.
Yeah.
Your protein, your fiber, your calories, your fat.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
It's got good potassium in it too. That good sodium.
Low sodium, only 10 milligrams.
All right, so we're making 2 shakes today, and these are usually the 2 shakes that we make on a daily basis. It's gonna be the peanut punch you out and the chocolate marshmallow delight. Now, if you guys know or watch this channel, you know that we are from the Caribbean. My wife is from Trinidad, and my family is from Guyana. Now, my wife used to drink peanut punch as a kid.
Yes.
And didn't you have like a peanut punch stand?
Yeah.
Lemonade stand?
It's like a lemonade stand, but with peanut punch.
Yes.
I would sell peanut punch by the cup for 25 cents.
Yeah.
On my grandmother's balcony, veranda. What do they call it over here?
They call it
porch.
A porch or a balcony
porch.
here.
Yeah.
But
we call it veranda.
We call it veranda in the Caribbean. So,
yeah.
But yeah, that's pretty.
I
much
go
what
way
I'm
back
doing
with this
today.
peanut punch.
Way back, like 4 flats on the Cadillac.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go ahead and show you guys the ingredients.
Okay, so for your base, you want to use whatever your favorite low sugar almond milk is. We have vanilla almond milk here, and we have chocolate almond milk here. And then we have some frozen organic bananas. We have some agave, and we have some peanut butter.
Ideally, with your peanut butter, you want to make sure that you have very low ingredients. Now, we only use 2 peanut butters in this house, and both of them only have 2 ingredients in them. As you can see here, it only has organic peanuts and sea salt in it. Alright, so we have in this cup 8 ounces of almond milk. Now, if you guys don't have a mason jar, you can always get a 1 cup measure, and this is just to show you guys, this is exactly 1 cup. There you go. Just go ahead and pour that into your, into your cup there. Also about this blender, we actually bought this as a replacement for our Vitamix when one of the parts broke.
Yeah, it was just supposed to be temporary.
Yeah, and that was like 2 years ago. So yeah, so definitely check this out. The link is in the description box. If you do get it in the store, it is a little bit more expensive, so I do recommend you get it through our link.
On Amazon.
On Amazon. So next, what we do is we put our bananas in there, preferably frozen bananas to keep it nice and chill.
We do what, like one whole banana, right?
Banana.
Yeah.
All right. Next up, what you want to do is you want to take 1 tablespoon of agave. And you want to put that bad boy in there, just like so. Yes, this natural sugar comes from cactus or cacti.
Yes.
And yeah. Next up is your peanut butter. Again, you want to do 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Next up is the star of the show.
Noosh.
The Noosh.
The Noosh.
And it comes in this cool package right here with a measuring cup inside. Usually do 2 scoops.
Yes.
So let me go ahead and take out the measuring cup.
And you can also use this to make protein pancakes, which we're actually going to show you guys the recipe for that coming up this week.
And another video.
Yeah.
But yeah, I got my first scoop here. And then I got another scoop here.
That's it.
That's it. That's all you need. You go ahead and cover your bad boy up.
Bad boy.
And go ahead and blend your bad boy.
Bad boy. The key to this shake, guys, is in how long you blend it for. Now, the first time that I made it, I blended it for, what was it, 2 minutes straight.
Yes.
Took it out, shook it up, and then blended it another 3 minutes.
Yeah, so it's, yeah, you do it for 2 minutes, take it out, shake it, and then you do it for another 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how smooth you want it to
But
be.
it's going to be smooth.
It's going to be smooth.
Smooth.
All right. All right, so now we're done with the blending. You're just going to go ahead and add some ice to your cup.
We always add ice because it gets a little warm from the blender too.
It does. So we're going to go ahead and add some of that ice there. Get it nice and chilled.
Literally the best protein shake you will ever have. Let me get it. Let me get it. Ooh. Ooh.
It smells tasty too.
Smooth.
That peanut punch.
Guys, it is seriously super smooth, super creamy. No weird chalky chunks, no weird aftertaste. There is nothing else that tastes like this.
This tastes like Caribbean peanut punch, as we said earlier. And I'm about to make the chocolate one. That tastes like chocolate milkshake.
It does.
So,
it does.
you're in for a treat. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and make the chocolate milkshake. It's basically the same exact way you make this one. The only difference is there's chocolate almond milk in it.
Yeah.
All right.
Rocky in the shop.
All right, guys, y'all already know babies are starting to wake up.
You know it. All right, so this is the chocolate.
Yeah.
Look at that. Mix that bad boy around, get it nice and cold.
Oh my gosh, y'all. Smooth. Smooth.
Just like
creamy.
I
I can't breathe. Oh,
All right, so about to go outside and taste it. Ooh, this one is freezing cold now.
Yeah. You gotta.
Mix it up.
All right, let's go take some Instagram pictures. Follow us on Instagram.
Follow us on Instagram. All right, guys. So this is the finished product.
Smooth. Creamy. Chocolatey.
All right, I gotta let you guys know. The problem with this shake is when you take your first sip, you don't want to stop drinking it. I literally had to stop myself just to talk to you guys. But I will literally drink this in
one drink. Yeah,
one
gulp.
sip, one gulp, one swallow, whatever you want to call it. Seriously, it is amazing. Tastes like chocolate shake. It is smooth. There's no graininess.
No chalkiness.
I can't say that about any other
shake,
protein shake out there. Honestly, like, whew.
Contact Noosh Tell them how much we're raving about them, honestly.
Tell them that they ranted and raved.
The dad
from This Infinite Life said that your protein shake is
Don't y'all love
amazing.
all of our, we have to label it or else we'll never be able to find our thing.
Seriously. But I can go on and on about this all day. Chris can go on and on about this all day.
They are
but
amazing.
We're gonna cut it off here just to save you guys the trouble. Go ahead and check out Noosh. Pick up a bag for yourself. Try it out for yourself. You will not be disappointed.
If this video was helpful to you,
Don't forget to like,
comment,
subscribe. And until next time,
drink your almond milk
and zip up your quota. Or in this case, drink your almond noosh.
Almond
Zip
noosh.
up your quota.